Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to set up and use voice control on your iPhone or iPad. Now voice control is a really good accessibility feature that allows you to use your device with your voice. So don't use your hands at all, and this is really good. Let's say if you accidentally injured your hand, or if you have a hard time using your device with your hands. So first I'm going to unlock my iPad over here, then open the settings app. Now this is the exact same setup process on the iPhone or iPad. So the iPad is just a bit larger. And then scroll down until you see accessibility. Tap on it, accessibility, and then voice control. Now we have a switch over here on the top right. It says voice control. Allows you to use your voice to control your iOS device. So we're going to turn it on just like this. And then there are a few customizable settings at the bottom. So over here we have the language. You can customize the commands, vocabulary, show confirmation, play sound, and show hints. Now I'd highly recommend turning on the show hints since this will help you use voice control. Then we have the overlay, and if I click on overlay, we have a few different options. So you can have none, item numbers, item names, or numbered grid. Now I wouldn't recommend using none, so all of those flags just disappeared. But I'm currently using the item numbers, so you can choose which one you want. And these numbers show me the corresponding buttons. So for example, if I say tap 1. Whoops, that's a bit of a fail because I was talking, but it works. And then if I go over here, let's go back. Voice control. You can also turn on attention aware at the bottom, and it allows voice control to wake up when you look at your iPad and sleep when you look away. So that will sense your face, but I turn it off so that I can still use my iPad from afar even if it doesn't recognize my face. So I'm going to show you how voice control works. I'm going to move back just like this. So see, I'm not touching my iPad, no mouse or keyboard connected. And then I'm going to say go home. Go home. So it works. Swipe left. Wow, that's so cool. Tap 4. Okay, we have Clash of Clans. Go home. Let's see, what else can we do? Go home. Tap 3. Tap 3. Tap 5. Tap 1. Tap 4. Tap 1. Tap 1. Go home. So yeah, it's really easy to control your iPad using voice control. Hey Siri, turn off voice control.
Voice control is already turned on.
Tap 2. Okay, so voice control is off. Now it's a really useful tool, and as you can see, I was able to control my iPad using my voice. So you will have to learn some of the commands, but they're really simple and you can just tell it what to do. Like scroll down, scroll up, swipe down, swipe left, swipe right, or all the basic commands. Open this, tap that, go home. So it's really useful, and I'm going to show you how it works on the iPhone. So we're going to put this camera back over here. And then I'm going to show you on the iPhone. So I'm going to set it up again really quickly over here. Settings. I'm going to scroll down. Accessibility over here. And then we're going to look for voice control. Set up voice control. Okay. And this is the setup page. So it says, what can I say? This one gives me a little guide over here. Pretty good. Okay. And then I'm gonna put my play sound and then my overlay, which is the item numbers. Okay, so pretty good. Automatic dimming and the dimmed opacity. Now I don't want it to be too dim. Let's put it at 58. Okay, so let's use voice control over here. Let me put my phone over here this time. And let's see. Tap 6. Go home. Swipe left. Swipe left. Oh wow, that's really cool. Let's see. Tap 12. Apple.com. Tap 37. Wow. Look at that. Go home. Tap 8. Tap 8. Go home. Hey Siri. Turn off voice control.
Okay, I turned voice control off.
So that's how you can set up and use voice control. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video, found it helpful and useful. Feel free to leave a comment, question or suggestion down below. And please like and subscribe for more. It helps support the channel. So, thanks for watching.